Hey y'all, this is Boss Mama coming from Boss Mama Creations. How are you tonight? I'm just here doing a little work. Thought I would run a little tutorial on how to make a little beanie hat with DTS transfer. So after you run your DTS transfer off on your Epson 8550, you're going to cut it out, of course. You're going to get your little beanie hat. I'm also going to be pressing it on a Black Series cap and label from Heat Press Nations. Hat press. I'm going to slip the hat on there slightly. I also have a little pad that's going to keep it from burning. And I'm going to slip that in. And then we're going to try to get it as straight as you can. I'm only going to press it for about 10 seconds. You may have to do it twice. Sometimes you don't. And I have it at 120 to 125. You have to adjust your own pressure and your own temperature to whatever type of hat press you got. But this one works for me. It's a black cap and label, because you can do your t-shirt labels as well. So I have my little transfer, and I got some little heat tape on the side, because sometimes it slides around. And we're going to put it on there gently. And we're going to turn our little hat presser down, and we're going to start it. Now, sometimes I lift it up when it beeps, sometimes I don't. It just depends. But we are pressing a beanie. We don't want it to burn. So we're going to move it out the way. And that's the first press that I do. And then I take my little Teflon sheet and I slide it over. You can also cut your little piece. And I bring the heat press back over. I press it down again. Because remember, I'm doing low temperature, which is the 120. And then sometimes it drops down, it goes up and down. And it beeps. Sometimes you can let it for a few more seconds. And you want to lift up on it. Move it out the way. Move your little Teflon sheet. Take your little tape and your little transfer. Uh-oh. And here we go. Again, you might want to hit it again with the little Teflon. But there we go. Hope you all can see it. And that came out really good. And I did it on my Epson 8550. And the ink I'm using is from Holly Flavor. Holly Flavor has a pretty good ink here. And it does the trick. It comes out with nice contrast, and it's not runny. I do them on my shirts as well. I don't know if that helped you, but it's something quick and fast to do. You just do it on your little beanie, and you just move right along. Well, thank you for watching. Again, this is Boss Mama from Boss Mama Creations. Please visit the website at bossmamacreations.com. Boss Mama.